Hi, I'm Dr. Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today I want to talk to you about the benefits of using a weighted vest in your workouts. So why does a weighted vest work so well? Well, number one is it increases your load or mechanical stress on your body, which is going to increase adaptation. And so your muscles are going to have to adapt and your bones are going to have to adapt. So this is going to help us build stronger, healthier muscles and stronger and healthier bones. And just by adding that weighted vest to a simple walking routine is going to mimic resistance training. And so we get tremendous benefits from using a weighted vest in our workout programs. And number two, it gives us great metabolic benefits. And so many of us, our health problems are really rooted back to this metabolic imbalance. So we're talking about weight loss resistance, insulin resistance, and even that early pre-diabetic state, which causes so much inflammation, fat gain, cortisol increasing as well, which is that stress hormone that burns our body down and weakens our immune system. And so when we added this weighted vest to our program, we're going to get more calorie burn. And so the same 30-minute walk, you're going to get more calorie burn, which means less body fat. And then we're going to improve something called your VO2 max. And VO2 max is a cardiometabolic number or marker, a longevity marker. And basically all it means is how efficiently and how much oxygen can you get to your muscles when you're exercising or you're under this higher metabolic demand. And just by adding that weighted vest, we're going to improve this longevity marker called VO2 max. So that's going to mean basically less cardiovascular disease and problems and better longevity. And that is really impressive. And number three, we're going to improve our bone density by adding this weighted vest to our programs. So we get stronger bones, it's anti-aging. And how that works is something called Wolff's Law. And Wolff's Law basically, when you're talking about bones, just means if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. And so when we put the stress on the bones, we're going to actually cause them to be more dense, better mineralized, and increase something called osteoblast activity. All the osteoblasts are is basically helping us to make new bone. And so we get more of that. This can be really key if you've been diagnosed with osteopenia. You're looking to slow that down and not get into osteoporosis, or perhaps even help reverse it. And this can be a really great tool in an osteopenia or osteoporotic lifestyle program. We definitely want to consider that. But we don't want to get here. And so if we can add something like a weighted vest to our workouts and continue to support stronger bones with better nutrition as well, then we will never get this diagnosis. And that is really a good thing. And number four, adding a weighted vest to your program helps improve something called proprioception, which is our body's nervous system's awareness of our body, and better vestibular balance. So this means less slips and falls, especially for our seniors. And that's very important to start to incorporate things in your exercise to improve that balance. So many seniors, after they have a slip and fall, their life or health goes down and even life expectancy goes down. So adding this to the program can help reduce that chance of these slips and falls later in life. And one of the main reasons I recommend it to our patients is better posture. So many things that we deal with, even from the chiropractic point of view, these different musculoskeletal disorders can be secondary to just long period of time of bad posture and these static postures. So we're talking about that forward head posture, that kyphotic back that nobody wants. But when you put on a weighted vest, and I don't know if everybody who's listening to this video has used one, but you can't slump over when you have that vest on, or you won't be able to walk very far or jog very far. You have to kick your shoulders back and keep that weight balanced. And so this is going to help to reduce that forward head posture, that kyphotic hump, and strengthen the shoulders, the shoulder girdle. So this can actually be beneficial for rotator cuff problems, a weak low back, and just better balance because of the way that it puts a demand on our joints, which will increase our overall proprioception and balance. So this is excellent for better posture, not just better posture, but stronger posture because of that increased adaptation to that increased mechanical load. And so number 5, we just want to talk about how do you choose the right vest. My best advice would be start with less weight than more weight, because we just don't want to create unnecessary injury and not even be able to get the benefits for some time from adding that extra weight. But a good smart formula here is 5 to 10% of your total weight. So 200-pound person, looking at 20-pound vest. 150-pound person, we're looking at a 15-pound vest. You're not working out, you haven't been very active, we're gonna start with the 5% of your body weight. But if you're moderately active and you're just looking to improve your overall health and get all these great benefits, definitely gonna lean towards the 10%. And you want to take about 1 to 2 weeks to let your body adapt. Make sure you have a 1 to 2 day break before you start walking again, and that'll keep you out of trouble, help you build into these great benefits. We'll have a link below if you're interested in the different vests that I recommend as well. And if you're looking to get to the root cause of your problems or just go to the next level with your health and you want to take a holistic functional medicine approach, we will have a link below and you can check that out. Spots are very limited. I hope this helps you. I definitely encourage you to consider a weighted vest in your program. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally. See you on the next video.